Hill station havoc, too many tourists, Ooty Kodaikanal. Just saying the names brings a cool breeze to your face, right? These hill stations in South India are famous. Think lush tea gardens, stunning views, and a break from the heat. But lately there's a problem. They're crazy popular. Picture this. Thousands of cars clogging narrow mountain roads. We're talking bumper-to-bumper traffic, folks, and not the fun kind. This isn't just an inconvenience. All those vehicles take a toll on the environment. Plus, imagine being a local trying to get to the hospital in that mess. Something had to give. Enter the Madras High Court, laying down the law. They slapped some limits on how many cars can enter these hill stations every day. Naturally, some people weren't thrilled. The Tamil Nadu Hotels Association in particular said, hold on a minute, this is going to hurt tourism. They took their case all the way to the Supreme Court. So what happened? Buckle up, because we're about to break it down for you. The Supreme Court heard the case and made its decision. Did they side with the hoteliers? Nope. They basically said, the Madras High Court made a good call. We're not getting involved. This means the vehicle limits are here to stay, at least for now. The court made it clear that protecting these beautiful places is important. They weren't about to let traffic jams ruin the environment or make life miserable for the locals. But what exactly are these limits? Don't worry, we got you. Here's the deal. If you're planning a trip to Ooty or Kodaikanal, listen up. The number of cars allowed in each day is capped. Ooty can handle 6,000 vehicles on weekdays and 8,000 on weekends. Kodaikanal has it tougher, with a limit of 4,000 on weekdays and 6,000 on weekends. But wait, there's more. Yeah, remember those e-passes they started using last year? Yeah, those are still a thing. The court actually wants them to prioritize giving those passes to electric vehicles. Go green or go home, am I right? Now, before you cancel your trip, hold on, these limits don't apply to everyone. Local residents are good to go, obviously. Government vehicles, buses and vehicles carrying essential goods are also exempt, so it's not a total lockdown, just a way to manage the flow. This whole situation is a classic case of trying to find balance. Tourism is great for the economy, bringing in much-needed jobs and money, but too much of a good thing can be bad. We got to protect the environment and respect the people who live in these places too. Will these limits work? Only time will tell. Maybe they'll encourage people to use public transport or explore less crowded destinations, or maybe everyone will just try to squeeze their cars in on the weekends, creating even more chaos. One thing's for sure, this is a conversation starter. We need to find sustainable solutions for tourism, not just in India, but all over the world. After all, who doesn't love a good vacation? But let's make sure future generations can enjoy these beautiful places too.